Hello everyone, I am Sonal and today I am sharing one of my prep meal recipes. This is one of my absolute favorite. Sometimes you just need an easy, no-brainer plan to follow. If you find my videos useful, then please hit that like button. Your support and faith encourages me to do better. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. A common concern for vegetarians is that their diets lack protein. And beans and lentils are fibre-rich nutrients, powerhouses and an excellent source of protein. So today I'm sharing my vegan dry chickpea curry recipe. I absolutely love how versatile this recipe is. You can change and improvise it however you like. Just play with the spices. The result is always delicious and you get all the nutrients at the same time. Vegan meal prep is all about cooking a few healthy meals ahead of time and proportioning them out throughout the week. You decide what to eat, prepare a grocery list based on the recipes you have picked, and batch cook your meals all together. This helps you to save time, money, eat much healthier, unprocessed, plant-based meals. Meal prep is a great way to eat healthy food every day. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe my channel. And if you have any suggestions for my next video, do share it in the comment section below. Bye!